Hello, so we are going to start by clicking on the create option of the plus sign. Then we'll click on XLS, which is the spreadsheet option. Then shortly we'll be taken and we'll see the templates, and we'll have also the blank option at the top, which is the most used. We'll click on blank. Then shortly we will have our workbook opened. Then down there on the 4 dots, we're going to have the tabs, where we have the home tab having options like the text color, fit color, align text borders. Then we have the file tab, where we have options such as save as, extract worksheets, split by table, merge tables, file compressor, print option. Under the view tab, we have merge tables. We have copy, paste, find and replace, position in cell. We have smart reading and freeze pens. Then under the insert tab, we have cell embedded picture, we have charts, text boxes, shapes, function, pivot tables. Under the data tab, we have AutoSum, recalculate, highlight or delete duplicates, conditional formatting, data validation. Under review, we have comment. So I've entered a few data in our workbook, and I want to calculate the total of the students, the total marks for each student using the AutoSum feature. Then I will also look at the rank function. We're going to rank each student according to the marks they had. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm first going to select the cells I want to add, that is the values for each subject. Then up to the total column, I'm also going to highlight where I want the values to be inserted. Then I'll go to the data tab, click on AutoSum, then the sum function, the sum feature. Then automatically I'll have the total calculated for me. As you can see. Then I'll give my heading for rank for column H1, that is. Then in H2, I'm going to now calculate the rank for the first student, was the 275 marks. So formula for rank is equal rank, open bracket, the number is, in our case, is G2 to the 275, comma. Then you're going to choose the series, the order. So that is from the first student, the 275 to 340, But I was having a little challenge highlighting this, like we do it from the, Microsoft Office, or using a laptop or a desktop. So I just decided to do it manually, because remember, I'm using a phone. So I decided to, just do away with everything and try it manually, one by one. So that's me backspacing everything and starting afresh. So formula for rank is equal. Of course, all formulas in Excel start with an equal sign. So is equal rank. Then you're going to open bracket. Again, for our first student who was 275 marks, the value is in cell G2. So we're going to have G2, comma. Now in selecting series, we have the dollar sign. So dollar G, then dollar again, 2. Then we'll have the full colon. If I was using a laptop, I'd use F4 probably to have the dollar sign inserted automatically, but here now I'm going manually. So again, after the colon, I'll have a dollar G, then dollar 9, which is 340 for our last student, who is justify in this case. So after the dollar sign, I'm going to have 9, not G9, dollar G dollar 9. Then I close the bracket and it's the tick sign or the enter sign. Then I'm going to autofill the other result, the other ranks, by clicking on fill, then dragging it down. As you can see, we have the rank for each student. Then after I'm satisfied, I'm just going to click on done. Then I'll save my video and I'm done.